Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has power and is unlocked. Low battery can force power modes. Open Settings now and tap Battery or Battery and Performance. This is where power saving lives. Once in battery, you'll see current mode and a shortcut to power saving. Make sure background apps aren't restricted yet. That will affect how the phone behaves when you change modes. This first step gets you directly to the controls you need to turn off power saving. You'll find a power saving toggle and possibly a superpower saving option. Turn both off to restore normal performance. If there are scheduled rules, tap Schedule and disable them so the phone won't re-enable later. Next, open Battery Optimization to allow key apps to run in the background. Disabling aggressive optimizations prevents unexpected slowdowns. Once done, confirm the status shows normal or balanced. That indicates you successfully lifted restrictions and processes can resume full operation. You should restart the phone to ensure settings apply across processes. A reboot clears lingering limits. After reboot, check notifications, background sync, and app performance to confirm normal behavior. If power saving still appears active, go to Settings, Additional Settings, Battery, or Reset Battery Settings. Also check for system updates because firmware bugs sometimes lock modes. One key troubleshooting tip: if a third-party battery app enforces limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.